Landlords, why it might be a good idea to accompany your service technician to look at repairs and habitability issues at your property. Hi, my name is Rob Wells. I'm the Landlord Warrior on TikTok and YouTube. Please feel free to like, share, and subscribe to our videos. Now, I was talking with a couple of landlords just recently. They were dealing with, repair requests and complaints about habitability issues with tenants. And one of the most common things I see happen with landlords, basically, where they kind of go wrong, is they rely solely on the service technician to schedule these repairs and address these issues. They're willing to hire someone to take care of the items, but the resistance comes when the tenant doesn't respond to them. Well, I've always coached landlords and property managers, if you're having an issue with a tenant with, scheduling repairs and so forth, go ahead and give a notice to enter and accompany your service technician. The reason for is this, and I'll talk about the 24-hour notice thing in a separate video. The reason why is if you suspect that the tenant is damaging the property or violating the lease in some form or fashion. Let me give you an example, like keeping the place clean and sanitary, for example, is a common lease term. It's actually the law for habitability issues. But again, I digress here. That's an example, right? Well, they're complaining about, let's say, pests. There's rodents or, roaches, etc. In the house, that type of deal. And when you schedule the technician to take care like any pest issue, right, it's a good idea for the landlord to come by, mainly, or someone that you trust, basically, if you're a property management company, to go out there and go with the technician. The reason is you might be able to document some lease violations going on. For example, if the tenant's not keeping the place clean and sanitary, keeping garbage and so forth in the property that may be attracting our pests, you want to be able to document that, okay? Yes, I know the technician could document that, but see, I tell people, landlords, rely on yourself, basically, or your employees or your agents to get that information, because if we have to go to court, right, well, if you or your agent went out there, right, we could, have them come to court with us, and they're more likely to come, particularly if they're your employee or if it's yourself, because you can document, take notes about what's going on, that type of deal. Mainly, it's to basically gather any evidence, basically, and especially if you suspect that there's any wrongdoing, that type of deal, okay? And then I always like being with technicians and so forth, because then you can understand what the problem actually is in real time. The technician can give you valuable information that could come in handy in court. So those are kind of the reasons why I like landlords to go out with the technician, is in case we have to go to court or there's an issue and there's some type of, like a tenant's misusing the property. We have, your firsthand accounts that could be used in court to prepare and defend against your case, and you're documenting that stuff as well too. So, if you're a landlord facing this type of situation where, hey, you have repairs and the tenants might be causing some of the problems and you're in the Northern California area, please feel free to reach out. We might be able to help out. Put your comments, questions down below. Until next time, folks, I'll talk to you then. Thanks.